y'all remember this car. It's Stella, Big Stella. She dirty, she dusty, missing some moldings. Filthy on the inside, missing a bunch of stuff. Top filthy, I don't know if y'all can tell. Probably tell by that window. She been sitting. Hood off. We can put some work in on her though. I'm back at it, man. Hold on. Let me see this camera. I'm back at it, your boy. The real DLC, man. CARVAIN TV, man. I'm back. Busting out my videos. You know what it is, man. It's been a long time, YouTube. I've been lacking. I've been going through some stuff. See my hair looking crazy. Beard looking crazy. But it's all good, baby. I'm good. Life good. I'm blessed. Just bought a new crib, you know what I'm saying? Lots of stuff going on, man. Been busy. Look at this. We got cobwebs on this thing, man. This thing dirty. This motor finna come out, though. This motor's finna come out, so we good. I got a call coming in. Let me take this call, get right back with y'all. My fault, YouTube. Anyway, so we already got the hood off. Boom, you see the hood. Got the bumper. I took the bumper off a while ago. Y'all probably didn't know. I haven't shot no videos. Actually, I don't know if you can tell, but this rail right here is over that way, son. So we actually got to get all this fixed. I'm gonna take this whole front end off. I actually got a little surprise for y'all with this motor. Not this motor. This motor got something special being built. A lot of stuff to be done in this car. Fix some wiring. We're gonna get rid of all this. Fix all this. All up in here. We'll fix all that. So getting all that taken care of. A lot to be done with this car. You see those ugly ass wheels are off of it. If y'all ain't seen it in a long time. It's still sitting high. About to fix that. Got a whole QA1 setup for that. Got some other toys for that. Some trick suspension stuff, specially built for this car. Man, I mean, we on it, man. There's a lot going on, man. A lot going on. So, I got something special going on with this whip. Man, y'all stay tuned. I just want to get some footage because, man, it's been so long. I'm about to take these fenders off. It's been so long since I've done anything with it. I want to make sure y'all, got to see it. Y'all got to know what's happening. I got a lot of fun stuff to go. So just stay tuned, man. CARVAINTV.tv. You know what it is, man. Rule number 1, get the money first. Rule number 2, don't forget to get the money. You hear me? Let's go, man. CARVAIN TV. Yeah. Man, Vain Gang, what's good, bruh? Man, hold on. Vain Gang, what's good, bruh? It's your boy, man. Real DLC, man. You know what it is, man. I'm still at it. Still stepping, you feel me? We out here, though, man. I just wanted to show y'all, because the other night, this is a continuance of a video. I ain't get to finish up, show you, man. I was tired, fucking around, man, for a long time, and I wanted to go home. So, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Hold on. You heard? The Delta, man. Damn, no front end, like it been an accident. So here's what's crazy. So while I was doing this, I actually found out this car was that color originally. So somebody painted it white. They did, I don't want to say they did a good job painting it, but for what it was at the time, they did a good job. They did all the jams, everything. I mean, there's really no sign of the jams. It's the other color, except for, this car's probably painted a long time ago. It's painted well, You don't really see any proof that was any other color. So they did a pretty good job. I guess for what it was at the time. I don't know when it was painted, but for what it was at the time. But this where we at, man. That is about to come out. Bro, listen. I can't wait to show y'all what I'm trying to put in here. Listen. Stupid. bro, stupid. All the Hellcat shit, I don't want to hear it. I love Hellcats, don't get twisted. We gonna eat you. You pull up at the light playing with me. This old school gonna burn, smoke you up, bro. I'm telling you, what I'm trying to do, I'm gonna stop talking, because I want to just show y'all. I'm gonna stop talking. But yeah, man, this thing got a long way to go, man. It got a long way to go. I mean, I did a lot of stuff, man, but a lot of stuff finna be done different, finna be done better. Got QA1 set up for this car, and it's weird because this car is hard to get parts from, man. Like the Donks, the Caprices, the Impalas, man, they make everything for those. They make everything, quarters, fenders, every part you need. These cars, they don't make it. So you either gotta find some used parts and hope they good, or work with your parts. We're gonna work with my parts. You know, I got a lot of stuff that was done wrong on this car before, whoever had it. You know what, I'm not even gonna say it was done wrong. Times was different. Whoever built this car a long time ago, times was a lot different. So things was done way differently than they are now. And they're better now. I'm gonna say that. I can stand here and say that from a car standpoint, they're better now. The things we was doing to lift cars back then and stuff to get rims to fit, we way better than that now. So this car gonna be way better for what it is, man. It's just crazy, like, to see it like this, everything missing, man. It's crazy. So, man, I'm excited, man. Man, CARVAIN TV, man, we got a lot to do. We got a lot to do. You can see, I don't know if y'all can tell, this frame rail kind of, not frame rail, but this horn, this frame horn is kind of messed up. You see right there, it's not as wide as it is here. So we got a lot to do. We're gonna bring this thing together. We'll put it all together. Man, this big 455 coming out though. This is a good motor though. It need to be probably refreshed, probably some new valve cover gaskets, a little drippage, a little leakage. But I ain't been driving it nothing. But it run good. Start up every time pretty much. Run good, but it's time to do. You got janky shit like this in here. All that shit. We getting rid of all that. So yeah, man, CARVAIN TV, man. I'm finna redo Stella, Big Stella, as I call her. A lot finna happen with this car, man. A lot, man. Stay tuned. I'm gonna take y'all through every step. I got a lot of other projects I got going on right now too, but this is the one for me. This is the one I'm keeping. So I got a lot of stuff going on that I'm gonna do, that I'm building. We got a square body dually crew cab. That's gonna be cool. I just built a two-door Tahoe. I think I'm gonna post those videos. I stopped making videos for a while, man. I got kind of in my head, got a lot of stuff going on. Man, and I'm gonna tell you the truth, man. I kind of got shook, man. I'm gonna keep it real. Like, oh, hold on. It ain't clear. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth, man. I kind of got shook. Man, one day I was buying a car online. This the power of YouTube, man. I was buying a car online, and this dude, man, I ain't got a whole bunch of subscribers. This dude was like, bro, I seen you on YouTube. You got the white car with the red top. I was like, yo, this is crazy. Man, shout out to my boys, though. I'm gonna tell you why. My boys is the one got that going. CJ on 32s, my man. Real to Real, my man. My boy Sleepo, King Sleepo, that's my man too. He popping on YouTube. My homeboy Ran Low, you know. Them dudes was out there really, man. Rail, Stunner, CJ, man, just being around y'all, that shit was so motivating to me. Cause I'm an older dude, like, ain't no, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, I'm kind of different. I'm a family man, you feel me? But y'all kind of inspired me again to pick the stick back up and get pause. Pick the camera back up and get back to recording. So shout out to y'all, man, because watching y'all, King Sleepo, you too, bro. Watching y'all grind and seeing where when I met CJ, he was lit. When I met Rail, he was lit. When I met Stunner, he was lit. Watching y'all keep grinding, keep picking up the camera every day, bro, it's motivating because it's like anything, bro. Cause with great things happen with consistency, so don't ever forget that, y'all. But like for real, man, like y'all my people. I got mad love for y'all. Proud of everything y'all doing, all the giveaways, y'all killing it. Man, my boy Marty Mark, bro, I want to shout you out, bro. Cause me and you had some real deep personal talks about some real stuff, bro. And watching you shine the way you shining right now, bro. Bro, my boy just copped a GTS 63. But my boy's fucking flexing, bro. I'm proud as hell of you, bro. Shout out to you, bro. You my man. I got mad love for you, bro. So I'm super proud of you. But anyway, man, just stay tuned, bro. I got something finna happen for y'all. I'm also finna open up a shop. My own little shop, little car sales, you know what I'm saying? Little something, something, you know, little something, something, you know? Little something, something. CARVAIN car sales, you know what I'm saying? CARVAIN Classics actually is what it's called. CARVAINClassics.com. You'll be able to go there. You'll be able to see every car I have for sale. And we turn it up, bro. I just bought the new crib, you know what I'm saying? I might take y'all for a little, you know, tour of the crib. Man, we good, man. Life good. So, man, shout out to y'all, man. But yeah, man. Big Stella, man. Big Stella, bro. Big old Stella. Ugly ass wheels off. Wait till y'all see what I'm about to put on here. Oh, man, it's gonna be crazy. Full QA1 setup. Y'all just gonna see toys coming to this every day. Every time I drop something for this. I'm gonna set this back though. But this gonna be something. Y'all gonna see a new toy drop. New toy. That's what I'm trying to do. What I'm working on right now with this, with that heart transplant, whew, it's gonna be vicious. It's gonna be vicious. Hey, Mr. 75, Mr. 75, Mr. 75 Del, bro, I'm coming for you, boy. 7 Trey. Y'all can call me Mr. 73. You know what I'm saying? 7 Trey Del. But anyway, man, shout out, man. I wanted to show love to all my dudes that keep doing their thing. Man, I kind of forgot you too, Mr. 75 Del. I'm sorry. You my boy. You show mad love. Every time I see you, it's love. So, with y'all, man, y'all inspire me, bro, to keep going, keep pushing the envelope. Man, Dallas, man, the car culture out here is so crazy. Gray's World, you my man too, man, cool. But car culture out here is so crazy, bro. It's only a few dudes out here that I talk to that's always the same, always thorough, always show love. Never no funny shit, never no funny camera love shit, never no bullshit. Y'all the ones I really fuck with, man. I just want to keep putting on for y'all, man. Shout out, man. Dallas, Texas, man. I'm telling you right now, hey, I'm going to keep it a buck. Chicago got it right now with the car game, though. I'm going to keep it real. Y'all got it. But we going to pull back up. Dallas going to pull back up like that, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Big Stella going to come out. We coming. We going to pull up on you. You know what it is, CARVAINTV.tv, man. Rule number 1, get the money first. Rule number 2, don't forget to get the money. Holla at your boy.